Terrorists hurled grenade at CRPF personnel deployed in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama district. 2 civilians injured in this incident. Ishan Wani joining us on the phone line. Ishan, we just received information of another grenade attack. When and where did this happen? Over to you for the latest, please.
Well, it's the bank area where the State Bank of India is located in the, South Kashmir's Pulwama district where the grenade attack took place. Now, we are told that among those injured are 2 policemen. However, police hasn't confirmed anything officially, but sources telling us the 2 who have received splinter wound injuries after these militants got the grenade on a police party. And usually this is a very busy area in the Pulwama town. There is post office also located in the vicinity, and that's where the grenade was tossed, and which eventually led to the injuries. We're told that all the injured have been rushed to the hospital where they are undergoing a treatment, and now also the area has been cordoned off by a joint team of security forces to assess to where did this, attackers go and to get more details to how did this attack happen. But as of now, we're told that they're out of danger. They have received certain splinter injuries, and the doctors are treating them at a local hospital.
All right. Thanks for joining us with the latest, Ishan. Let me go across to my colleague Sohail Sehran, who is joining us live. We'll try and get more inputs on this. Remember, there have been a series of terrorist attacks in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The last one being near Srinagar, in fact, where J&K personnel were attacked in an ambush. Several such incidents have happened over the last couple of weeks. And now we are reporting a grenade attack from Pulwama. This time again, militants hurled a grenade on CRPF personnel. They were deployed near the State Bank of India branch in Pulwama district in South Kashmir. Sohail telling us that 2 civilians have been injured. Ishan was giving us the latest ground situation. We'll try and go across to Sohail once again to understand the casualties from this incident. Sohail, over to you.
Well, it was a grenade attack. Basically, there was a deployment of CRPF and Jammu and Kashmir police personnel who were, deployed for routine law and order duty near State Bank of India. And in fact, there are many other establishments as well when the grenade was lobbed towards the security forces. 2 Jammu and Kashmir police personnel are injured in this attack, and 2 civilians as well. They all have been rushed to the hospital and their condition is stable. But at the same time, this whole area has been cordoned off by the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police, which is known for, counter-insurgency operations. But, this shows there is still the presence of militants, despite the fact the Jammu and Kashmir police paramilitary forces have intensified operations in South Kashmir areas like Anantnag, Pulwama, Tral, Shupaya, which are known for, militants. In fact, there has been, in fact, presence of militants always. But in the recent past, since there were many attacks that were carried on security establishment in Srinagar city, and, there were credible inputs with the security agencies that militants are shifting their bases from South Kashmir areas to Srinagar city, as a result of which, to stop this movement and in fact to ensure that militants are neutralized, operations were intensified. But again, because we have seen in this week, there have been many counter-insurgency operations in Anantnag, Pulwama, Shupaya, Tral, and again, this attack shows still there is a presence of the militants in South Kashmir areas, and this whole area has been cordoned off by the Special Operation Group, and CCTV footage is being scanned by the troops to ensure to know the exact location from where this grenade was lobbed towards the security forces.
Right. This is initial stage of investigation. You're telling us the CCTV footage will be scanned subsequently to determine from where exactly the terrorists entered. And like you are also telling us, the bigger worry is that there are lurking militants around these areas, and these incidents are happening with quite a bit of a regularity now. Thanks for joining us with the latest, Sohail.